Hey, what's going on guys? Before getting into the video, let me tell you that this video is sponsored by uDictionary. This is a dictionary app which not only gives the meaning of a word that you type in, and it also has many cool features than other apps, which is very impressive. It can translate more than 14 languages and it has quiz, music lyrics, videos and a lot more. It has a special feature of translating text that you copy in any apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Not only these, it has many features like word scanning, voice recognition and a lot more. So now start exploring the app by installing it from the link I given in the description below. Now let's get started.
Download links and names of the ringtones. All are given in the video description.
Thanks for watching guys, smash the like button and don't forget to download the uDictionary app from the link I given in the description below.